God, these girls tryna lock me down and always up and leave. For the first time in a while, I wanna throw away the key. And I know you've been in a couple more relationships than me, 'cause you talk a different talk and you kiss me differently. Now I don't know where to go after you love me this way. After you love me so good, how are you gonna tell me you don't wanna stay? Hey, you tell me I'm too young, but I give you what you wanted. Baby, how dare you treat me just like a boy? You won't be good beside me, 'cause I was born in the 90s. Baby, how dare you treat me just like a boy? Don't you treat me like? Sing it out. So, you needed a perfect guy that'll make your parents proud. Guess you still ain't found him yet, 'cause we're still fucking around. And watch me put it on this words just to say I won't work out. Never took you seriously, and what the hell is that about? I don't know where to go. Sing it out. After you love me this way, yeah, yeah. After you love me so good, how are you gonna do? You tell me I'm too young, but I gave you what you wanted. Baby, how dare you treat me just like a boy? You won't be good beside me, 'cause I was born in the 90s. Baby, how dare you treat me just like a boy? Don't you treat me like? Don't you treat me like? Lady, don't you treat me like a boy? Don't you treat me like? Don't you treat me like? Y'all mind if I get jazzy with it for a little bit? Sing it out, sing it out. Hey! You tell me I'm too young, but I gave you what you wanted. Baby, how dare you treat me just like a boy? You won't be good beside me, 'cause I was born in the 90s. Baby, how dare you treat me just like a boy? Sing it out. Baby, don't you treat me like a boy? Everybody feeling good? Can we light this place up for a second? I can't see everybody. This place is so big. There you are. Oh, who is a Day One Charlie fan? Who was at my concert in 2016? And look at where we are now. This is a blessing, y'all. Are y'all ready to keep the party going? Are y'all ready to keep the party going? I said, are y'all ready to keep it going or why? Tonight's all about me and you, so one last time. We're gonna experience the music like we haven't experienced it before. So if you came here with your best friend, your girlfriend, make me want you, baby. Why you calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? But I hit right back 'cause you got that bad girl. Why you always wanna act like lovers? You should never wanna be each other's. I said don't look back, but I'll go right back. All of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna why you turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. No, I don't wanna fake this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby. Do you love it when you keep me guessing? When you're leaving me believe me stressing? I can't stay like that. Hey! Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other? I said don't look back, but I go right back. And all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say you turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, and show me how you do. You want, you want, you want, you want, you want to keep me wanting you. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, and show me how you do. You want, you want, you want, you want, you want to keep me wanting you. On like a light switch. What? When you're moving your body. You know how to just make me